This is our 30-inch diameter freestanding campfire ring with some different attachments on it. 30-inch fire ring with 8-inch sides and a base plate inside, all 3/16 thick mild steel, and the legs are adjustable, and they do come out too for portability. This campfire ring has two of our cooking grates, I'm sorry, and our pot holder. You can get it with one or all. And they're all adjustable side to side, up and down. You can swing the pot out of the way easily. And then position your different cooking heights. A little squeaky, but so what? Ideal for total temperature control, and you can cook twice as much also. Again, the cooking grates go side to side, up and down. The pot holder goes up and down and side to side. Probably one of the best campfire cooking setups I've seen. It's commercial built for parks, playgrounds, wherever, or home backyard. It's made to last a lifetime. And if you're interested in it and or more information, you can contact us at HigZilla.com. Give you a close-up before we finish.